Hi, Micah and Nikki. I appreciate you taking the time to meet with me today. What we talked about was that the reason the lawn has been struggling during this time is that the coverage on the sprinklers isn't quite right. We're probably not getting enough minutes out in this area. What we discussed was that these heads here and along the side yard, they're not throwing far enough. I suspect that maybe you don't have enough. Maybe your valve is going bad. But what we talked about was replacing these nozzles on this zone and then the one at the parkway, the one out close to the street, with MP rotator nozzles. And I'll send you what those look like. But those are the ones that send out fingers. If the problem with this zone is simply that the pressure just isn't very good, then those MP rotators will solve that problem. The main thing that's going to do is to allow, particularly here, for these nozzles to throw. You can have them throw at 30 feet out, and that's going to help create some overlap between the rotating heads that you have here and the rest of the yard, so that's going to extend your sprinklers. We talked about replacing the controller with a Ratio controller, and if you'll send me access to that, I have my notes, and I'll be glad to program that for you. And I'll send you what email address to send that over to you. I'll text that to you. And then these weeds will gradually go away, and we'll prevent those this upcoming season by using good pre-emergent. Some of these areas are going to be down to bare dirt. I'm not quite sure how much of this area will be that way. I'm hoping that there's still some Bermuda mixed down in there that will eventually fill in. Both the Bermuda and St. Augustine grasses are very aggressive once we give them enough water. This may take a season or two for us to really get this lawn to look good. And I don't think we really discussed that it's going to take a while for it to fill in. But if you're patient, it fills in. I tell people all the time that I have a crock pot. I don't have a microwave. So just we can do the expensive method of replacing the sod, or we can go slow and take a year or two, and eventually a lot of this will fill in for free. Again, all of this starts and ends with the sprinklers. If we get those set, then that allows us to get the lawn that you and I both want for you. Give us the water and we'll give you that lawn. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.